Hey there, it's Yang here. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to install your antenna. I finally got my dBi antenna today, and so we're gonna go through this live. It's gonna come in a, what you might call it, a container like this, protected. So I'm gonna open one end of it, and it has a cushion there, but I'm gonna just take it out. It's pretty cool. It looks kind of like a lightsaber. Star Wars movies, those of you guys who are into Star Wars. And then there's a little protection for this end. I'm gonna put this aside here. And then it also comes with the cable where you're going to connect one end, which is this end, to the antenna, and then this other end, you're gonna connect it to your little hub. So we're gonna start with this right here. So I'm gonna take out this protector, and it's designed to fit in here. So we're just gonna go ahead and put it in, and then use, let's see, from the looks of it, looks like I have to go to my right. Yeah. So this turns to the left, this one turns to the right. Tying it up, okay. So now we have it, all right. And my plan is that I want to eventually put this on the top, on the roof. But for now, I'm just gonna start by putting it on my window. And then later on, when I'm able to put it on the top, I will do another video. So now that I got this ready, next step is I'm gonna connect this to the hub. So let me grab my hub, which is back here. It's currently, this is the stock antenna, it comes with this. So I'm just going to undo this antenna, put it aside, and then I'm going to plug in this one. So let's plug it in. Okay, tight, just using my hand. So now that I got it plugged in, and the thing about antennas is that it has to be upright. From the videos that I've been watching, the way it works is that it's gonna, the signal is gonna be sent out, you know, horizontally. You place it like this, it's gonna be sent out horizontally. If you place it like this, it's gonna go up and down, and there's nothing down there, there's nothing up there. You're not gonna get anything. So you wanna make sure that it's upright. And so for now, like I said earlier, I'm gonna put it on the window to begin with. And in order to do that, what you need to do is you wanna get these hang up clamps, okay? I don't know if they sell it separately. I tried to find it, I couldn't. So I went ahead and bought, where is it now? Oh, here it is. So I bought this. It came with, I went to Home Depot and bought this. It was all together. And so I simply just take the end piece out and remove these two. So I could use these two. The point is, it's gonna, we're gonna put it right here, like this. Like this. This part down here, I guess down here. And we're gonna put it on the window. But in order for it to stick, we need to crack this. And so basically you want to get double-sided adhesive tapes. And so I already got two of them ready here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prepare these two. Right, so this part here, we'll put it right here. Okay, so got that, and let's prepare the other one too. Right here. Okay, and then I believe there is another film here where we peel this, and then they will stick to the window. So let's go ahead and prep it. Let's see here. I need my little knife to open this up. Okay, good. So now that we got these two pieces ready. We'll start, come over here to the window. Okay, all right, so now that we got everything ready to go, the cable is connected from the antenna to the hub, we're gonna mount it to the window. And I'm gonna be using this window, so let me just kind of see where things gonna be at. I think I want it to be right about here. So I will want one piece down here, another piece up there to keep it straight. And so let me see here. All right, about there. So I'm gonna put it probably right here. Let's see if I can make it straight. So there we go. Okay, so this will be the first. It's pretty tough. I hope down the road I could remove it without an issue. But I'm ready to put out to the rooftop. So this will be the first piece. It's gonna go here. Let me just kind of mount this in a little bit like that for now. And then the second piece is gonna go up here. So I think what I want is right about, this is straight. I think it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right there, okay? And just push it in, okay? So my antenna is straight up and down. Close enough. Try to keep it, making sure that it's parallel. It's a little bit to the left, but I think it's good enough for now, because later I'm gonna be removing this anyway. So again, my hub is connected to my antenna, and now I'm just gonna let it sit and see how well it does. Today is, what's today? Today is September, what is it, September 5th or 6th? I cannot remember. But my hub, basically it's just been a week that I received it, and I was using the stock antenna. And so far earlier when I looked at it, I think it generated about, in fact here, let me get my phone, well, my phone's there, but my recollection is that it earned basically a little bit over $1 so far worth of helium. So we're gonna see how much of a difference it's gonna make in the next week, this upcoming week, with this antenna. This is the dBi antenna, and we'll just leave it here. So that's it for this demonstration video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you have questions, get in touch with me, and I'll help you as much as I can. Thank you.